Hello everyone. Let's look at question number 50. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So the points will lie in, first point will lie in the fourth quadrant, somewhere here. And the second point, minus 4, 5 will lie in second quadrant. And if we draw a line joining these 2 points, not necessarily it is passing through origin, but it will be divided by the x-axis. So let's take this as okay. So this line segment is getting divided by this x-axis. This point, let's consider this as point P, x, y. Here we don't know the ratio, so let's assume the ratio in which P is dividing AB is K is to 1. And this point P is lying on x-axis. Each point that lies on x-axis has coordinates x, 0. Correct? So this point P has coordinates x, 0. Here y coordinate will be 0 because it is lying on x-axis. So we have to take y coordinate as 0. So now that we have the ratio and the coordinates of AB, we can use section formula, which is Px, y equals m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Pxy is x, 0 because the point is on x-axis. So let's substitute the values. M1 is K, x2 is, so let's take this as point P minus 4, 5 and A 1, minus 5. So x2 is minus 4, m2 is 1 and x1 is 1 divided by k plus 1, comma m1 is k, y2 is minus 5, sorry, y2 is plus 5 and m2 is 1, y1 is minus 5 divided by k plus 1. We can equate this to x, correct? So minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 will be equal to x. So let's take this as equation 1 and 5k minus 5, this plus 1 into minus 5 will become minus 5 divided by k plus 1 to 0. This as equation 2. Okay. I will just remove this diagram. Okay. So from equation 2, 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1 equals 0. If we cross multiply, 5k minus 5 will be 0 and 5k is equal to 5 and k value will be 5 by 5. Here minus 5 will become plus 5 when we shift it to the other side of the equal sign. So it will become plus 5 by 5. So k value is 1. K value is 1 here. And substitute k value in equation 1, which is minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 equals x. So I'll take this x here. So if we substitute the value minus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 by 2. So this is the value of x. X is equal to minus 3 by 2. And k value is 1.